Ever wanted to keep listening to a video while checking other tabs or switching apps like a podcast or music video? Here's how to make that possible with Samsung Internet Background Play feature. By default, videos stop playing when you leave a tab or minimize Samsung Internet. But with a quick setting change, you can choose to keep the audio playing. It's perfect for multitasking while browsing. To do so, open Samsung Internet app. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right, then tap Setting. Scroll down the screen, tap Useful Features, tap Background Play. Here you will see three options. On, which means your phone will always play video sound even when you leave the tab or app. Only on headphone or external speaker, which means your phone will play video sound in background only when using headphone or Bluetooth audio. And off, to stop playback when you leave the tab or app. As the example, let's choose only on headphones or external speakers. This is perfect if you like listening to music or talk show while doing something else. You can leave the browser, turn off your screen, and still enjoy the audio without interruption. Just remember that some websites don't support background play, so if it doesn't work, it's because the site itself blocks it, not your phone. And that's it, you have just enabled background play in Samsung Internet. Now you can keep your favorite video or podcast playing even when you multitask. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.